Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Asus motherboard model and updating the BIOS if needed. This prevents compatibility issues. Next, make sure Windows runs in UEFI mode with a GPT partition table because Secure Boot requires it. Create a system restore point and back up the registry so you can revert if something breaks. Once done, reboot into the UEFI/BIOS interface using Del or F2 and head straight to the boot and security sections to begin toggling secure boot settings. Now in BIOS, disable CSM or legacy support to force full UEFI operation. This is important because Valorant's anti-cheat requires Secure Boot. Set Secure Boot to custom only if you need to enroll keys. Otherwise, use standard to load platform keys automatically. Make sure Windows Boot Manager is the primary boot option and that no other devices override it. Once configured, save changes and reboot into Windows to verify Secure Boot shows as enabled in System Information, which ensures Vanguard can finalize by booting into Windows with Secure Boot enabled, then reinstall Riot Vanguard and Valorant to let the anti-cheat register under the new firmware state. After installation, open System Information and confirm Secure Boot state reads on. This validates the platform keys and UEFI mode. If Vanguard still fails, reboot into BIOS and reset Secure Boot keys to factory defaults, then repeat the install. That single troubleshooting step often resolves key enrollment mismatches that block.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.